guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. Tonight I have probably the coolest unboxing video I'll ever make, for myself anyway. It finally happened. I hit 100,000 subscribers by the time this video actually gets around to going out because of life events that have kind of kept me from being able to enjoy this moment. I'll probably have 105,000 subscribers, but that's all right. This is the silver play button from YouTube. I'm super excited to open this thing up. I did cut into it, but I have not checked everything out. Let's go ahead. We're going to open it. And here it is on a nice piece of cardstock here. It says, do you remember your first subscriber? I do. Do you remember your 100th? I don't, because I kind of forgot the channel existed for a year and a half. How about your thousands? I certainly do remember that, because that is when YouTube reached out and said, hey, you should try to do this. Chances are you do, and we know you will definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. I do, and here is a video of it clicking over from 99,999 to 100,000. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audiences stayed, with their numbers increasing because of the community you built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them, and even more with your commitment and creativity. So keeping that in mind, keep building. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we're here to support you along the way. I disagree. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Neil Mohan, I guess it is, YouTube CEO. There it is. Cool. And then there's a card here. Congratulations on your milestone. We're honored to take part in recognizing your achievement. This was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Well, thank you, Rick. I appreciate that, man. If somehow this was damaged, get in touch with us. Cool. There's a super dry packet to keep moisture off of it. Then it says, recognize your team, share the recognition by allowing your team personalized creator awards. That's kind of cool. Well, my team is me, although I'm starting to think about, matter of fact, I am taking on some of the family is going to be entering the game here shortly. Here it is. I'm going to have my Haley be a part of the channel. And my wife, who knows, maybe we'll get her to join in from time to time. Presented to Farpoint Farms for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. How about that? How about that? Man, what a cool way to spend a day. There it is for you. Hopefully you can see all that. So yeah, so I've got something. I ordered it when they said they were going to ship this out. My wife and I went to Hobby Lobby, which we have nearby, and I picked up this shadow box to kind of keep it safe and keep it in there, you know, and I'm going to place it right there. So let me go ahead. Look, thank you to every one of you that made this possible. My channel is nothing without you. My channel is nothing without you, honestly. You have made it fun by making the comments and allowing me to interact with you, the people that I've met at Hamfest, the folks that I've gotten to know locally just by walking down the street and having them say, hey, you're that radio guy. That has made it worth it, my friends. And thank you. Thank you for making this possible. Till next time, my friends, take care.